1. Jawaharlal Nehru, born on November 14, 1889, was a pivotal figure in India's struggle for independence and the country's first Prime Minister. 2. A close associate of Mahatma Gandhi, Nehru played a significant role in shaping India's destiny and its transition to a democratic nation. 3. Nehru was a passionate advocate for socialism, secularism, and scientific temper, as reflected in his policies and the drafting of India's first constitution.
4. As Prime Minister from 1947 to 1964, Nehru focused on nation building, industrialization, and establishing a strong educational foundation through initiatives like the 5-year plan.
5. He laid the foundation for India's non-aligned foreign policy, striving to maintain independence from Cold War power blocs. 6. Nehru was an eloquent speaker and prolific writer, contributing to literature and political thought with books like The Discovery of India. 7. He played a key role in the establishment of the non-aligned movement, fostering cooperation among newly independent nations. 8. Nehru's commitment to social justice included efforts to address poverty, promote land reforms, and advance the cause of women's rights. 9. The iconic symbol of his vision for modern India is the construction of the planned city of Chandigarh, designed by the architect Le Corbusier. 10. Nehru's influence on India's political and social landscape is profound, and his birthday is celebrated as Children's Day in India to honor his affection for young minds.